So today we take up the directional terms east, west, north, south and eastern, western, northern, southern. East, west, north, south are used as adverbs or adjectives or sometimes as nouns, whereas the terms eastern, western, northern and southern are used only as adjectives. The words east, west, north and south are used to signify direction or particular area. For example, the sun rises from the east. This signifies a direction and a specific area, the east. Whereas the words eastern, western, northern and southern are used to signify a larger area. They also signify direction, but they also signify a larger area. For example, the sun rose on the eastern horizon. This signifies direction or a larger area. The eastern horizon is a larger area than the east. East, west, north and south are used as adverbs or adjectives or sometimes as nouns. For example, the south coast of India is beautiful. Here, south is used as an adjective. We traveled east for about 3 days. East is an adverb. A cyclone is forecast in the north of Ireland. North is a noun. Eastern, western, northern and southern are used only as adjectives. The eastern parts of the city are less populated. Here eastern is used as an adjective. France is in Western Europe. Here western is used as an adjective. He has visited many northern countries. Here northern is used as an adjective. All of them speak with a southern accent. Here southern is an adjective. East, west, north and south are capitalized if they are used in names of places. Similarly, eastern, western, northern and southern are also capitalized if they are used in names of places. For example, Kenya is in East Africa. Here East Africa, the E of East is capitalized because East Africa is a consolidated term. It is a name of a place. West Sweden is a town in Polk County. Yeah, yes, it's a town. West Sweden is a town in Polk County, Wisconsin, United States. Bismarck is the capital of North Dakota. South America is a continent. The capital of Western Australia is Perth. Western capitalized. As a tourist destination, Northern Ireland is famous. Northern capitalized. I hope now the usage is clear. Yeah, pretty simple. Yeah, remember that these are directional terms and east, west, north, south can be used as adverbs, adjectives or sometimes as nouns. Whereas eastern, western, northern, southern are used only as adjectives. And if any of them are incorporated into the name of a place, then they are capitalized. Alright, clear? Any questions? Ready to do the exercise? Okay. You can start now. Thank you.